Alright, we're going to go ahead and look at these. We're baking a cake, we're talking about flour. So after 4 scoopfuls, the scale is 28. And after 10 scoopfuls, it is 46. So what we need to do is to figure out how much is actually the change. And the change for all of that is what? 46 minus 28, which gives us 18. So there's 18 there. But between 4 and 10, there are 6 scoops that would make that change. So 18 things divided into 6 equal parts is plus 3 each time. So that means that each one guy is a plus 3. So 3 grams. I need to figure out my 0. So this is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I could just count back. So that's what, 25, 22, 19, and 16. So I, again, need to get to my 0th. So that's 16 grams. And so my equation would be, I start with 16, and then I either add 3, or add 3 times 2, or I add 3 times 3, or I add 3 times 4, depending on how many scoops there are. So this is scoops, and then that is total weight. Now, why do we do that? So we can plug in our 20. Fantastic. We don't want to go all the way up there. So I would do 16 plus 3 times 20. That gives me what, 60, so 76. If this is what it calls for, how many scoopsfuls are needed, we don't want to have to well, you could plug this in your calculator, your graphing calculator, and then make this 460 and figure out what this one is, or you could make this 460 and mathematically figure out your basic, your basic algebra equation. So we're going to move the 16 over, so 460 minus 16 is 444. That equals 3x, so I divide by 3, and I get 148 scoops. So clearly we're glad we didn't have to go out to 148 here. But again, when it's asking this is how much is the total flour, that's our output. When we're talking about how many scoopsfuls, that's our input. Thanks for playing.